In the metals market, copper is struggling again. Copper tried to put in its first rally in the last 5 sessions. It basically fell for 4 days, and then this morning it reached up to the previous day's highs, didn't quite get there, and then failed as the session moved on, getting back below key moving averages. Since the rally that copper put in starting about August 26th, which was a pretty decent rally, we really have turned, and this is on the backs of some weaker economic data, along with no progress, at least reported progress, in the U.S.-China trade talks. Trade talks and negotiations have been very quiet. There's been no announcements, positive or negative, in the direction of trade, so that's kind of slowed. So we look toward copper to see if there's any sort of progress in terms of people potentially hedging or even buying copper, most likely hedging at this stage. If they were going to have to invest in copper futures somewhere in the next few months, they'd likely buy futures to hedge that position, but you're not seeing any of that, so we can just kind of make the assumption that nothing is really going on with copper, or really base metals in general. You look at nickel, the nickel markets, the contango is actually at its worst since 2007, so that continues to show depressed prices now, higher prices in the future. So we'll see if that continues, at least in the base metals, copper not showing any signs of that reversing. And then the Chinese data, which is always important since copper is really kind of a barometer of the Chinese economy. China missed on a lot of data this week, and also there's been calls for more stimulus from some Chinese officials, so that's showing really a slowing of the Chinese economy, still kind of making its way through and still affecting copper prices, as we saw in the sell-off, or basically during the day today after those reach up to those highs.